What makes this proofing box stand out is a combination of precision and practicality. You have full control over your temperature, visuals into the proofing box, and super easy access with zippers that contain all of the heat inside the box, super easy to access. It's got a 6-layer insulated fabric construction that keeps the heat inside, and use it for fermentation for any type of bread or dough. Yep, the proofing looks great. I gave it a slight tap and you can see slight indentation, but it is holding its shape there. And you get full control between 68 and 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Also includes a water tray and a metal grate for the bottom. So I love that it solves the challenge of limited counter space for a bulky appliance. You can really monitor it so you don't over or under proof it. Can help avoid unpredictable fermentation in a cold kitchen and get rid of that, and you avoid your flat, dense breads. The construction to me kind of feels like a reliable cardboard. It's got zippers on all of the edges that help the unit go from a box to a flat surface. All of the zippers and the components work well for me, and I do like the feeling of the materials. And when you unzip the box, it goes from 16 by 12 inch cube all the way to storing flat. Overall, it just makes bread easier. Combination of the precision with all the temperature and time controls, the practicality, ease of storage. Perfect for serious home bakers without sacrificing precious kitchen space. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.